welcome to the channel. I'm Jana Williams, and today we're in sunny California, and we are with Vanessa Joy. Hey. And June Jolie. So we're gonna do the coolest shoot. So you guys, so Vanessa Joy is, I'm so excited that you're here. Me too. She's so awesome. So she is one of the best wedding photographers in the USA. She's based out of New York City. She just wrote a book. What's the title of your book?
It is called the Off-Camera Flash Handbook, 32 scenarios and how to use off-camera flash.
Wow, like that is so awesome. Also, if you know Adorama, so Vanessa is teaching constantly on Adorama's YouTube and also their like Instagram live, and she's amazing. So
thank you.
You're welcome. And I'm so excited because today she's going to teach me this trick I've been begging her to teach me, which is she's going to show us how she makes magic hour like right now, and it's like 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So I know it's kind of like, what is that really going to happen? But wait till you see the photos. And then June Jolie is our model today. So June is amazing, and she's got beauty and great style, and you can follow her on Instagram at june.jolie. Cool. Let's get started.
Awesome. All right, so we are on the side of a road, which if you're a wedding photographer, you know that this is where you get to shoot sometimes. So welcome to LA traffic. All you need for this trick is any kind of light. Now I have the ProPhoto A1, and I love the ProPhoto A1. You can use something stronger. If you're in a brighter scenario, a stronger light might be better. But the key to this, to making it look like golden hour or magic hour, which you can call it whatever you want, it's a beautiful time, are these things. So these are called CTO gels. You're really just looking for some orange gels. If you don't have these, you know, you really could go to a craft store and find like orange stained glass pieces and use stuff like that. But these are gels. They're actually very inexpensive at a place like Adorama. You can buy a set of gels for like $12 and like all the colors.
And these are ProPhoto ones?
But these are ProPhotos, okay. So they're magnetized, and then we just put them on the top. And the reason why we're using orange gels is because we want this to become our sun. And what color is the sun? Orange. So we're getting really complicated color theory here. So what we want to do to make this look natural, we can't just like shove a light behind her because it's just going to blow out. It's not going to look good. So what we want to do is find a background that the light can also be coming through, like these gorgeous, pretty plants here. So we want to have it coming through things because that's what the sun does. It's low in the sky, it's far away. That will make it look more natural. So we're going to let June come back over to here, and I'm just going to place this light precariously right here. Now, when you point the light, this is really important. I still don't want to point it at her because, again, it's just going to blast the back of her head, and it's not going to look flattering. It's not going to look natural because then none of this background will be lit. And when it's golden hour, it's magic hour.
Such a good point.
It's everywhere, right? The sun is everywhere.
Because I'll admit, when I saw her doing this trick, like I see it and I think it's so good. I always thought it was right behind your clients.
It looks like it. It seems like it. Thanks. At least he'll let us know he was here.
Yeah, he did. Thank you. He's like, move.
Yeah.
Okay.
In New York, they don't tell us that. They just yell. They just yell.
And grab your bag.
And grab your bag.
Let me grab that flash, actually. I'm a photographer. He's like, that was good.
So we're going to put this light. It's not even facing her, but what comes out of your light, it doesn't just go that way. It goes like this. So it's going to hit her. It's going to hit this. It's going to hit back there. It's going to give a lot of depth to this. All right. So take this there. Now we're going to go back to where we'll photograph her. All right, so step one, the light is not on. A lot of people make the mistake of turning the light on and then just trying to get the exposure of the light and the camera and everything, and it's too much. It's too much at one time.
Right.
All I'm doing is adding an accent light. So everything else is the same. So step number one is just to get the exposure on her face.
With no flash.
With no flash at all. Now I use live view, which is great for like people who are going to mirrorless, you know, it's normal. Yeah. So I'm going to use live view to get my exposure. It's roughly around 100 ISO. And I do take a picture, by the way, just to check, just so you're not confused. I'm not using this. All right, so just take a photo, and it's really pretty. I mean, she's gorgeous, my God, right?
Yeah.
And so I got my settings. I like a low ISO. I don't want to go higher than my camera's sync speed, so I'm not higher than 250th of a second. And then I'm on a low aperture so that everything kind of blurs around. Now, step two, you just turn your flash on. You turn it on to TTL. TTL is just auto for your light. It just determines how much power should be popping out of that light based on your camera settings and the surroundings. All right, so let's take the exact same photo that I just took. And now let's see what this light does. All right. So now we have
so beautiful.
all this golden haze where before, the before is, it's nice. Hold on, let me get this info away. And then now we have golden haze. And now from here,
so pretty.
What we can do is we just go to manual, hold the power setting, change my battery some point soon. And now I'm gonna make it just a little bit brighter because I want a little bit more pop coming out of there. And it tells me actually when it beeps like that, it's at its brightest setting. So if it's at its brightest setting, my other option, I'm gonna go lower either my, I'm gonna let more light in. So I'm gonna lower my aperture or raise my ISO. I lowered my aperture. I'll do one more like that. There we go. Now I see more. All right, so now it's a little bit brighter,
So pretty.
a little bit warmer. So that was before. This is where we started with nothing, added the light and intensified the light.
Oh,
Let me just back
pretty.
up. And lastly, you want to do this with a longer lens. Can you go like this with that cat tail? Like just move it out of the way. It wants to be part of the moment, I know. Nice. And then do you want to just look all the way that way at your feature? There we go.
Oh, girl, it's so pretty.
So that's
It's
some,
so pretty.
some golden hour in the middle of the ugly high noon day.
Oh, I love this.
Yeah, and I got a little bit of blinkies there, but I'm not too worried about those.
Yeah.
She's wearing white, right?
Yes.
So, that's it. That's how you do it.
So that is amazing. I cannot wait to try this.
Yes.
Okay, this is so good, you guys, and I'm just so excited. And what we've done is I've put together a PDF. So it's in the description. So we're gonna have like photos with settings beside it, so you can see Vanessa Joy's exact settings. So thank you so much for being here.
Absolutely.
Thank you. So excited. So excited. This is so cool. Can't wait to try this in June. Thank you so much. All right, you guys. So give us a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe. Go visit these guys, and we'll see you next time. Stay inspired. Bye.